Hello guys,
Hey.
how are you? This is us again, Kidal and Yelty. We are visiting today Eger, and right now we are in the castle. I will start by saying some words about the castle. It was built with the purpose of repelling the Turkish invasion back in the 16th century. And the very first time when the castle was documented, when it was destroyed by the Mongol invasion back in the 13th century. The place is host of several museums, the castle museums, the wine museum, and several others that we are going to see together. And now I'm going to let my friend tell you some words, some impressions, and some opinions.
This place is wonderful so far. I would highly recommend this for those who are doing a history major at universities, or in general, just for those who are interested in history and interested in nationalism and interested in Hungarian history. So, let's explore together.
Together, come with us.